Shalom. My name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Cohen Decker, Pex and Brosh. Today I wanted to discuss regarding a very important matter that arises in our office on a weekly basis. And it is in regards to the opening of a joint life application where one of the members of the partnership is Israeli and the other is a foreigner. What happens is that many times when a couple in Israel applies to open a joint life application in Israel, the Interior Ministry will tell the foreign spouse to leave and to be invited into the country. And many times the clients that hear this advice heed to it, and the foreign spouse leaves. And sometimes the Interior Ministry even rejects the application that was submitted, and this couple then needs to submit an appeal, go to the Special Immigration Tribunal with a petition, sometimes appeal before the district court, and it can take years before the foreign spouse can be reinvited into the country. In reality, in the 1990s, the Supreme Court already ruled on this matter, and the ruling of the Supreme Court in the Stamka case was that it is unreasonable for the Interior Ministry to request that the foreign spouse leaves the country and then is reinvited for the simple reason that how can the Interior Ministry examine the authenticity of the relationship if the couple is split? And therefore, the Interior Ministry, based on the Stamka precedent, is supposed to allow this couple to remain in Israel until a final decision is made. However, the Stamka precedent does not apply on entrance into Israel, because when a foreign spouse is not even yet in the country, he's still out of the country. And in a situation like that, the authority to decide on the entry or approval or rejection of the tourist is in the hands of the Border Control Department. And the Border Control Department rejects entries of tourists for many various reasons. If they think they don't have enough money on them, if they think they want to work here illegally, if they have been visiting too much in the previous year, or if they suspect that this tourist has a partner in Israel, or a boyfriend or a girlfriend or any type of relationship, they can deny their entry due to fear of settlement. And therefore, if a couple is in the country already, it is strongly advised that they remain in Israel until a final decision is made and until the foreign spouse receives a visa. If the foreign spouse leaves, and they're at risk that they won't be allowed entry again if they don't have entry permit. And in a situation like that, the Israeli spouse will need to invite the foreign spouse, and as I explained, their application can even be rejected. And if it's rejected, the Israeli spouse might need to wait a long time before the foreign spouse is approved to visit Israel. I hope that this advice is of assistance to you, and thank you for watching, and please feel free to ask us any questions or clarifications.